great with sunshine. My mom and dad just got back together, and I'm glad. I'm intelligent, that's why I'm in the Gecko Club. We have parties with lots of grub. I miss my god sister because I never get to see her, but I know I'll see her one day. Until then, I will keep her in my prayers. Great things happen in my life, and I know everything's going to be okay because I tell myself I'm going to make it every day. My life is great. My life, written by Natario Bennett.
Years after I was taken into care, my mother died. I thought, I said, my mother's dead. She's not been seeing me for 3 years. I was in care because she put him for me. You won't find any easy answers for this in the books you've read. When she died, the feeling of hope went. Anyway, several years later, my father married again. They had 2 children, a boy and a baby girl. I left care when I was 16. You had to. I got a job in the old people's home. I don't know. My behavior was rather strange. I used to cut myself. No one ever knew. They said I was very thin in my job. They had no idea. It was like I was very cut off. I decided to look for and found my father. He was pleased enough to be reunited. I babysat for them. They gave me a key to the house. Sometimes, when I knew they were out, I would let myself in and write stuff with lipstick over the mirror, took the perfume over the bed, smear body lotion into the carpet. One evening, I was babysitting. I murdered the baby. Girl, I just picked her up from her crib thing and held her, squeezed her, until she stopped breathing. And I knew she was there. I just sat down, turned the telly up, and waited for them to come home.